Good afternoon everybody and welcome to Metamorphosis Care Business Systems. My name is Claire Deegan and I'm the Compliance Manager here at Metamorphosis, and my role within this business is to help you as an entrepreneur to be able to secure successful CQC registration with a compliant property or nursing agency providing domiciliary care. Coming up over the next couple of months, we will have some very exciting courses which will be able to prepare you for any CQC inspection, also to prepare you as a registered provider, and also to help you write your own statement of purpose and also to complete a CQC application. As I say, my name is Claire Deegan. I can always be contacted here at the Metamorphosis Care Business Systems office, and our telephone number is 01903 898 135. Alternatively, if you'd like to learn more about our business, please do go to our website. Our website is www.startinganursingagency.co.uk. You can also find us on Facebook as well, and also on Twitter. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a good day now.